Мы начинаем экскурсию. Еще 2 минуты и пойдем.
Did all the words I never said hurt as bad as those I did? You know I never even cared, not before you. If I could go and turn back time, if I could only press rewind, I would bleed this heart of mine just to show you. And I'll be the first to say I'm sorry, first to say I'm stupid. Why do I always take it there? Is it hopeless, or maybe you still want to meet me at the altar, and I will lay it all to bear. And I told you all my secrets, all my fears, I've let go, and it's flawless. You are the only one, you are the only one. Don't you know, don't you know? Am I fading from your mind? Has the distance blurred the lines? They say all things heal with time, but it's untrue. I will linger on every word, I know it's more than I deserve. Chances are I'll make it worse, but I need to.